Today we will discuss chapter 3, the Iron Age. The Iron Age was a prehistoric period that followed the Bronze Age and Stone Age. Is considered between around 1200 BC and 600 BC. We have already read in the previous chapter that there was several major changes that happened during the Neolithic age. Neolithic people developed the art of knitting and weaving. The development of agriculture and domestication of animal created a settled mode of life. The institution of family, religion and state came into existence. During the Neolithic age, humans did not know the art of smelting and refining. During this period, humans did not have the ability to smelt iron ore and remove its impurities. The latest archaeological evidence clearly shows that the start of large-scale iron production began in around 1220 BC. This period was the end of Bronze Age. Being cheaper and stronger, iron implements replaced cast bronze tools. There were major development in iron metallurgy in India in the beginning of the first millennium BC. In southern India, the use of iron began as early as 12th to 11th century BC. The Mauryan dynasty saw advance in the field of metallurgy. We find mention of metallurgy in the Upanishads. There are some tools and weapons made during the Iron Age. In Iron Age, people made their weapons and tools with iron. These are the figures. Figure 1, 2 and 3. There was an extensive use of technology of iron in Asia and Europe almost at the same time. The widespread use of iron gave a new flip to the development of civilization all over the world. The Iron Age changed the whole spectrum of development and progress. After the collapse of the Bronze Age and the Iron Age came into existence, here we are giving a chronology of the Iron Age. A. 1200 BC to 500 BC, Ancient Near East. B. 1200 BC to 200 BC in India. C. 1200 BC to 1 BC, Europe. D. 600 BC and 200 BC, China. And the last one is 1000 BC to 800 BC, Sub-Sahara Africa. So student, read the chapter properly. Thank you.